guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are shooting a Maserati MC20. Thanks to Jordan, he was able to link up with his owner. He owns an exotic rental company, which he has a few cars, but he was kind enough to let us borrow his MC20 for a proper photo shoot. So me and the boys were linked up. We're looking for a location, but we actually found a really nice place in Malibu Beach. It was kind of hidden, but thanks to Google Maps, we're able to find the location. So we're gonna head over there, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I photograph from start to finish, dealing with location, lighting, and all the other things that come into play. But yeah, let's go.
Hold on, let me take my time.
This looks nice.
Oh, that fucking dash cam emulation?
Oh, it's beautiful. Alright guys, we are at the location. We're in Malibu Beach. We're doing rollers. Now we're doing some beauty shots, which is coming out amazing. It's always nice to shoot in between plants or anything around it that you could use. Photos look amazing. A little top shot down right here. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Come on, bro. The sun's not gonna. I know.
Go ahead. Where you gotta move it?
Back.
Up there, okay.
Yeah.
We should get one from up here, dude.
From where?
That would be nice from up there. Oh, that shot looks beautiful. We are running out of time, so I'm trying to get these shots quick, as fast as possible. Alright, we're trying to get this shot done, but everybody keeps coming in from up there, so we have to like be quick with it. Curtis is driving the car right now, so we're trying to get the shots. Oh, that's beautiful. Alright, we're gonna head up there just to get a better shot. Oh my god. Okay, this one looks good. What? This is like a really wide shot. Let's go up here just before we miss the shot. We don't have too much sun left, so we're trying to rush into it. I'm not too sure how this vlog is gonna turn out since we have limited time. That looks sick right here. It's from the polarizer. That looks sick. Oh, that looks amazing. Oh, so sick. Oh, look. Hey, tell him to hold the brakes. We might have to AI the people in the back just so we get a clean shot. Or we might just crop it. I don't know. But the shots are turning out beautiful. We got Serge over here getting some phone clips.
Marking, buddy.
Hey, get it close to the camera.
Look at that. That's off just an app.
It's film.
This is off the phone right here. I already did my part of the job, which is doing rollers. Now I'm just LARPing on my phone.
Oh yeah, Jordan over here.
We could always send you.
He has his camera on the floor, but he's filming with the.
Afterwards.
I'm shooting at f2, just to get a little more separation of the background, a little more compression, since we're shooting at 50mm. I'm just gonna wait for Jordan over here to finish filming. He's shooting with the FX3, and then with a Sigma 2470. That's a new one, right? New setup.
28 to 45.
Oh, 28 to 45.
1.8.
Alright guys, for you guys wondering what gear I use to get my POV shots, basically I was using the iPhone, but I switched to the DJI Action 5 Pro, which gives him a nice perspective. It's pretty wide. You can see the camera, you can see the car in the background. And for the audio, I use the DJI Mic 2. The audio comes out really clear. And I use this chest mount. I got it from Amazon, so I'm gonna put the links below. Now let's go back to the video.
Oh, looks sick. Oh, you missed the birds. Let's get a shot like this. I feel like it's always nice to get the rear tail kind of like on the bottom of the frame. That looks sick. I like this. Whoa. Oh yeah, this shot is nice. Let's focus on the guy over there taking the photo. That looks so sick. You can see the taillights only. Just gives it a different type of mood. Oh, that's sick. That looks so clean. Yo, look at this photo.
Yeah.
That's sick. Oh,
hold your thing out. I'm gonna get the car in the background.
Oh my god, that's beautiful. You know what it feels like? Forza.
Forza
right?
Motorsports?
Yeah.
We should definitely do one of those loading screens.
I wanna wake up with you.
Take some of the reflection off. The windshield.
Oh fuck.
Take one shot of here. This will be another one. You can turn the CPL so you can get nice detailed shots. Bring it, it's in focus. Take the shot. Let me see. What's up? Oh yeah, it looks nice like that. All right, guys.
You have your multi-tool
We are
on?
done. Got the boys over here. The Surge over here.
Gotta take the rig
It's a little dark, but this was a shoot. Thanks to Jordan to bring out this. I was gonna say McLaren.
I'm late.
Maserati MC20.
Shout out to the Maserati, bro.
Maserati.
Maserati. Shout out to Ed at Rebel Rome.
All right.